Thinking about shopping at varisopal.com but unsure whether it's a legitimate store or just another scam? Varisopal.com presents itself as an online fashion destination offering trendy women's clothing. Everything from stylish dresses and tops to pants and accessories with a clean, modern website that looks professional and inviting at first glance. However, once you start digging beneath the surface, some concerns begin to emerge. Customer reviews are quite mixed. While a few buyers have received their orders without issues, many others report significant problems like delayed shipments or worse, orders that never arrive at all. There are numerous complaints about tracking information that either doesn't update or seems suspiciously inaccurate, leaving customers frustrated and unsure about where their packages actually are. A reverse image search on several product photos reveals that many images are copied from other websites, which raises questions about the authenticity of the inventory being sold. Adding to the doubts is the fact that the domain was registered very recently on March 18, 2025, meaning this is a brand new store with no long-standing reputation. Perhaps most concerning is the lack of transparency on the site itself. There's no clear contact information, no physical address, and no company name listed anywhere, which makes it difficult to reach out for support or verify the business behind the scenes. Taken together, these factors don't scream scam, but they certainly don't provide solid reassurance either. If you're considering making a purchase from varisopal.com, it's important to be cautious, weigh the risks, and perhaps wait until more reliable feedback surfaces before committing your money.